What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the newly released Air Jordan 1 Mid in the Hyper Royal Blue colorway. So this sneaker officially released on January 30th on the Nike app, and this had a retail price tag of $115. Now whether you're a fan of the Air Jordan 1 Mid or not, one thing is undeniable, and that's that they put some of the dopest colorways on the Mid. For whatever reason, I'm not really sure, but it's one of the reasons why I really do like it, and I continue to pick up colorways that I don't even think that I need. You know, I'm able to add them to my collection for a lot cheaper. It's a lot easier to obtain. I'm not fighting the masses, you know, and I don't really have to pay a lot of resale. I can normally just pick them up at, you know, specific retailers or the Nike app without, you know, struggling to actually pick up the sneaker. So in today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox this sneaker. I'm going to do a full detail review. I'm going to hit you with it on feet, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts and opinions on this Air Jordan 1 Mid in the Hyper Royal in black colorway. As always, guys, I'd like to thank you all for stopping by and watching another video. I really appreciate all the support you guys show out. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could take a moment out to destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. It helps my channel out tremendously, and it does put my videos out in front of more people. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. So once again, I picked up another Air Jordan 1 Mid, and if you're familiar with my videos, you know I love Jordan 1s. I love lows, I love mids, I love highs. You know, it doesn't really matter to me. If the colorway is dope, I am copping. And this particular colorway with the Hyper Royal Blue and Black, I just thought was super dope, so I wanted to add it to my collection. And I have the sneaker right here, and here you're gonna have your black Jordan box with your gold Jumpman on the top of the lid. You will have a 23 right here, and a Jordan Jumpman on this side. And the official size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Mid, Black, Hyper Royal, and white, and this is a size 8. Inside the box you have your white tissue paper. It has the gold 23 all over the paper. And here's our first look at the sneaker. Man, I tell you what, I just love Jordan 1s. I mean, I really do. You know, they're not the most comfortable sneaker in the world, but you know, I'm just so used to them. I've been wearing them for years, and I know a lot of people don't really like the mids. You know, there's a lot of hate on them, but you know, there's really only like this much material difference between a Jordan 1 high and a mid. Now to me, this particular colorway on this sneaker is fire. I love Hyper Royal Blue. It's one of my favorite colors. So, you know, any sneaker that comes out in the Air Jordan product line that has Hyper Royal on it, I'm gonna take a look at it. I don't cop all of them, but you know, something like this that's just classic was a must cop for me. And the materials that are used on this, you know, it's just your typical Air Jordan 1 Mid materials. It's nothing special or, you know what I mean, like high quality or anything like that. But the sneaker is 115 bucks, you know, it's not like a whole bunch of money or something really expensive. So, you know, you get what you pay for. But now that I got these sneakers out of the box, let's go ahead and take an up close look and review the Air Jordan 1 Mid Hyper Royal in black. Alright, so here we have our first up close look at this sneaker. Starting here at the top, you're going to have this synthetic black leather. And then right below that, you're going to have this Hyper Royal Blue part with the Air Jordan Wings logo in black. And that Hyper Royal continues to the eyelids, but not all of them. It does turn to black for the final 3. You do have a black mid panel, but then you have a Hyper Royal Blue Nike swoosh. You have an all white rubber midsole that sits on a all black rubber outsole. Okay, so next we're going to take a look at the back of the sneaker, and this is going to give you a nice shot of that black synthetic leather that is at the top right here. And you do have that Hyper Royal in the middle and also the ankle portion of the sneaker. Okay, so moving to the inner part of the sneaker is exactly the same as the outer. The only difference is there's no Air Jordan Wings logo on the top of the sneaker, but other than that, it is exactly the same. Now moving to the front of the sneaker, starting at the top, you will have that black nylon tongue. And you do have the Air Jordan Jumpman and the Air lettering in that Hyper Royal color. You do get black laces, no other laces come in the box. And then you will have that Hyper Royal on the front toe box. Now inside of the sneaker, you do get an all black sock liner. You do have a black insole, but it does have the Air Jordan Jumpman in that Hyper Royal blue. I think for $115, the Air Jordan 1 Mid is probably one of the biggest steals in the sneaker market. I mean, I'm actually surprised that they haven't raised the prices on these things yet. And the same thing with the lows. I mean, you can get a really dope sneaker for, pretty cheap if you find it in stock at a retailer. But now let me go ahead and throw these things on and show you what they look like on feet. Now when it comes to this particular Air Jordan 1 Mid in the Hyper Royal in black colorway, I really like it. I think it's super dope. And if you like the Hyper Royal blue and black color scheme, on this sneaker, or if you're trying to match a jersey or a specific clothing item or a hat or something like that, then I really think you're gonna like this sneaker. And I don't necessarily think that this sneaker is a must-add to your collection, but if you really do like the colorway and you're thinking about picking it up, currently they're sold out at most retailers and stuff like that. I haven't been able to find any at Finish Line or Foot Locker or anything like that as of the time of this recording. I think they're all sold out everywhere. But, if you go on places like eBay or StockX or GOAT, these are priced pretty nicely. And when it comes to sizing, I definitely recommend going true to size, so what you would typically wear in an Air Jordan 1, definitely go after that size. But I want to know what you think of my sneaker pickup right here. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching another video. Before you guys bounce out, if you haven't already done so, please destroy that like button for me. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next time, peace.